So this is my bromeliad tree, or vertical bromeliad wall. I'm not quite sure what to call it, but to give my garden a tropical look. And I think it's looking really nice. In this area here, it doesn't get direct sun, so it's mostly shady. So it's a perfect place for these bromeliads. And in nature, bromeliads attaches themselves on trees. The most important thing is, as long as they've got water in those funnels, then they're fine. So with this one, I will try to lift it up a bit so that it's more on the vertical side. But I'm going to put some support at the back for that. And this one here, these are Spanish moss. And what I've done is, I'll show you one. And do be careful with bromeliads because their edges are serrated. They're pretty sharp, so, or most of it anyway. There's one, this one here, it's got small serration. There you go. And then there's one here that has nothing at all, so they're pretty smooth. But this one here, there, you better be careful with that. So with my Spanish moss, what I've done is I've just tied a plastic, a wire coated with plastic. You need to make sure that it's coated with plastic, because I've heard from someone before that Spanish moss in contact with metal, there's a chemical reaction that happens that kind of kills off the moss. And I think this is from this is a bonsai wire, and you can just I got it from a rejects shop, so they're pretty available. Once it grows, or maybe I'll put some more here, the moss will cover all the plastics there, just to give it a more natural look. First preparation is this. This is from a milk bottle. There you go. And what I've done is I've just cut the top and made some holes there. And don't worry about the sides. I'll cover that with one plant. So yeah, we have this one, but I will show you. Come on, let's get started. There's a big gap here, so I'll be putting this piece of landscape fabric over there, just to stop the soil from coming out. Isn't this pretty? And we're gonna cover this with maybe a Spanish moss. So the next one is we're just gonna put wires around our pot here so that we can hang it on our tree there, or wherever we want to hang it. And what we need are wire. And this wire here is actually from my old project many years ago. So I'm just so happy to use it and hopefully eventually use it up. And we need this I don't know what you call it, of course, we need to be safe. We need our safety glasses if we're using wire, and because the only problem is it might fling into your eyes, so we need to protect our eyes. So to start, we just get our pot and your wire. This one here, I didn't really measure it, and it's just a guesstimation. Take you to this is the tree that I will be attaching it to. See, I've started on one already, and I'm planning to cover this branch here, or this trunk, all the way down. And before I take you there, I just want to show you my lime tree. This is Tahitian lime, and I need to harvest. I need to pick the fruits. Actually, look, they're all turning yellow because it's citrus season now. So we've been getting citrus from families and friends, and I haven't been able to consume the ones that I have. Actually, I'm leaving it to the last minute. This Tahitian lime, it's great for, I love it with fish sauce or soy sauce as a dip. There you go. And it's been there many years. Okay. And this area here doesn't get much sun. Okay, so this area here, that's my big apple tree. There's 3 types of apples there. There's Fuji, there's Gala, and then there's the green apple, Granny Smith. And that tree over there where I'll be hanging all the bromeliads, it's actually it's a nectarine. It's 2 types actually. Okay, let's get started. Because it's a bit wobbly, I'll be using this rope just to hold it in place. Also, I want to get some contrasting colors as well, because at the moment it's all dark. So I'm gonna put this lime green bromeliad. Let's see. Okay. It's good. And just twist it around. So this is the finished product. There you go. I'm really liking it.